in here. Look at, there's a big hole. Starting the renovation tomorrow. This is already been removed, this one. So day 1 of day 2. So I start the D3. Day 4. Day 5. Hi guys, so this is before the kitchen. So it's a really tiny kitchen. Everything is here, and the cooking, the freezer is here. So I'm cooking here, and the fridge is here. So this is before. So look at, it's quite really small, but the view is really perfect. Look at this in the upper view, as you can see. So this is the before. Look like that. This is one sink like that. So it's really small. Microwave is there, lights is here. So it's really small kitchen, really small like that. So I show you the result after this renovation of this kitchen. So this is the everything is here, everything. So I show you the renovation after this one. So let's see, stay tuned for the result for after. Yeah, there's a door here, fire door, kitchen. So now guys, it's already been removed, this one. It's already removed. Look at, see, and look at the floor. It's a really dirty floor, really old. It's old. This is hollow blocks. Oh my god, look at, and there is a big hole in here. Look at, there's a big hole inside here. Can you see it properly? There's a hole there. Look at that one. Look at, this is the as you can see. So that one, and this one, this is inside. Cannot remove this one. So that's it guys, that is for today's check. So let's see for the after renovation. So after renovation, this is the wood that is coming from. So after renovation, they renovate this one. Starting tomorrow is renovation. Yeah, starting tomorrow. So let's see, let's check. There's a door in here. This is the door in here. So let's check for tomorrow guys. Stay tuned. Starting the renovation tomorrow. So this is day 1. So they remove everything, they prepare everything. This is the roll A4. I think this is the rug. This is a rug. I'm not sure what is this. This is day 1. So they take everything, lights off, everything. The fridge is here. So yeah, everything, they remove everything. In the back of the fridge, look at the, see, look at, there's a hole here. I don't know what is this. A4 wherever there. So it's starting, it's day 1. So day 1 of the reparation of the kitchen. Day 1. So let's see next and on the next day, the following day. So this one guys, this is the insulation, non-combustible insulation. So yeah, so they put in here. Look at, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Look at this, very old. What is this one? Oh, this is wood. Oh my god, loads of mold everywhere. Yeah, it looks like insulation. I don't know this one because I'm not expert. I'm not expert of this one. A4 Saint Gobain Yeah, so yeah, this one. So electric is not working. Look at, can you see it, guys? And there's a hole in here. Whoa, my god, this is in the fridge. Is the fridge area. Look at, it's a really old kitchen, very old. So day two, so everything is here. So the paint in here, so everything, this is day two work. Got electric in here, the socket, and there's a socket in here. So day two, this is day two. So let's see. And here still there is, I don't know where. They put inside the, okay, wow. Well, the fridge area. Okay, perfect, guys. Let's see in the renovation next more week. So let's start the day 3. So this one, so everything here, the paint, this is D3. So the paint, like it's like a wood effect. I don't know what's this. So this is D3. So everything is here. Good. So D3, day 3. So let's see next in the following week. Guys, look at the floor. So day 4. So this one, they have all the flooring, vinyl flooring, luxury vinyl. So they have to prepare it here. So this is day 4. Look at their work for the day 4. For the day 4, there's a change here. This one is new. They put it here, and the next one is here. They put it here and here. So it looks smaller now. The kitchen, very small. Looks smaller now because this one is quite big. I don't know what they put inside. So they can put in here everything in here. So this is day 4. So it's quick, it's fast. The fridge is here. So it's a really tiny kitchen, very tiny kitchen. Yeah, very tiny one. Day 5 now. Look at, guys. So the yesterday, the day 4, it was too big. That's why they cut it off, because it is too big, like 40 centimeters better. So look at, guys. So it looks better now. This is day 5. Look at. So the sink in here, everything, they prepare everything. That is the sink, which we wash our dishes, and the oven is here, and the fridge, oven and fridge, because the ventilation is here, so you don't need to change everything. And this one, everything, I think the plates here down. So yeah, so day 5. So this is day 6, guys. Day 6 and 7, because I forgot to take a video last time. And then we need to open the lights, check all lights is working. So electric is working now, and they have the, wow, nice. Oh my god, it's too high. I cannot reach this one. I'm only 5 feet, so it's too high. Yeah, and everything is here. Or the cardboard, still the cardboard is here. Yeah, And so, so they changed the wall. It's unique one. So this is day 6 and 7 because yesterday I forgot to take a video. So look at, guys, it's a little bit better now. So this is day 8, guys. So day 8, so everything is here. So this one has here, and then here lights working, and then this one, this is the job today. So here the big one, wow, this is for the utensil. So this is the utensil till here, and 3, 1, and this one, look at, this is the sink. It's still cover the sink. This is the sink, guys. And this one, we need to open this one. Okay, this is the sink, guys. Look at the sink. Okay, here and here. So it's not yet ready, but they are ready for installation, the water. So now here is the same, opposite side is here. Wow, so opposite side, 1, 2, yeah, nice one, but it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, so that is for day 8, guys. That it. So let's see the result soon. So day 9. So this is day 9, guys. So they put the faucet in here because the sink, they cover the sink. Got the sink in here. Here, this is the sink. Just one sink. So here, this is the faucet. So this is the job for day 9. Only the floor here. This is the floor. So that's it for day 9, guys. So day 10, guys. So this is day 10. 10 days now working in this kitchen. So look at the floor. Is wood effect color. So combination of this one. So everything is here. So still the same. It's a little bit changing now. So but still mess. So let's update you next week. So day 12. So it's still the same. It's nothing changed. This is day 12. So this 12. So day 13, guys. Look at. So everything is fine now. Everything's here. We put everything here. Only left the paint. So it needs to be painted next week. So let's store you here. The floor, the wood effect floor. So everything is fine now, guys. So it's completely clear. And this one, look, we put a building here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah. And then look at, yeah, and this area in here. Okay, so it's fine, guys. So yeah, the water is working now. Yeah, water is only one sink. Yeah. So stitch on this one needs to be painted until here. Yeah, needs to be painted because it's really old. So but it looks beautiful now than before. So make it, put the curtain in here. Yes, it looks lovely day today. So the oven was put in here in this area, so it's fine. It's everything beautiful now. Simple kitchen. So this is the final result, guys. So look at, it's already looks nice. It's small, but it looks like, I will show you. So this is the floor. Everything is here. Look at, lights is completely working. And look at, guys, look at how beautiful it is. It's small, but it's so simple, but it's really nice. I love it. I love it than before, and it's just only one sink in here. So this is the final for the renovation of the kitchen. So don't worry for the fridge and that one, because yes, everything is there that is there set up here. Look at this white colors. Looks clean and tidy now. Not just before, because before is like, look at radiator is here. Still the same. The radiator is basically there, but I don't know why they put it here, the radiator. So yes, so nice. There's a two here, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So it's like it's more clean, neat and tidy. So guys, I feel so comfortable this one. Even it's too tiny, the kitchen, but it's nice. It's beautiful kitchen, guys. Love it. So it's easy to like that. And here, this one here. So here, everything is here. All the utensils, everything. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a little off compartment. So it has a 2 chairs in here. I can sit down. So the fridge and the oven is still the same. So yeah, I'm so happy.